I told you there's something I've never said out loud and never would, and I'm going to. Forgive my inarticulacy. It's not that I'm embarrassed. It's just... I don't want it to be a burden for you.
Just go ahead.
So, I've told you about my parents' drunkenness and the violence, what I was skirting around.
Not now.
No, thank you.
Just to let you know, the fireworks will be starting in a few minutes.
Thank you.
When I was 8, and for some years afterwards, my father abused me, as we're invited to call it these days.
What do you mean abused?
It was... Oh, God. Nobody should do that to anybody else. The first time...
The fireworks are just about...
Do you think you could leave us alone for just 1 fucking minute so we can have a conversation?
Sorry, sir.
Do we look like children? Do we look like we're interested in the fucking fireworks?
What do I mean by abused? I mean sexually abused.
God, I'm sorry. No wonder you hated him so much.
Well, now you know. First, it's masqueraded as a punishment, though I never knew the crime, but which gave it a certain Kafkaesque charm.
What a bastard. Must have split the world in half.
Yes, I think that is what happened. What makes you think that?
It just seemed obvious.
In that moment when it was happening, this will sound strange, but there was a lizard on the wall, gecko, bright green. I thought if I can somehow put myself inside, then I might be able to get through this. Not much of an escape plan, I know. The point is, now I'm exhausted, hating him. It's not enough. And if I go to break out into the world, not just this, but the real world, to learn something, make a contribution, live rather than just survive, then I am going to have to say these things out loud. We are missing fireworks, so I mean, if you want to...
It's all right.